knocked over that box of toys, and it's so fun watching him sort through all these toys. He's just having so much fun. He loves the kids. And he even played with the classics, the one with the little blue spinny thing. But he always plays with this one. Knocked over the whole toy chest. Daddy's been hiding out to see him, but he is not seeing a daddy. He's been a good eater. He ate like 2.5 bananas today. You see the light on the video camera? Yeah. You like lights. You look like you're so much bigger and older. Am I almost 10 months old? Dolphin. That's your dolphin. That your extra neighbor Kai got for you? There's the kitty. You see the kitty. The kitty is soft. Oh. Andy Shandu's here.